Okay, I'm going to continue on with these expert deals. I actually already played this one the last time, but I'll just go through how we played it before. So I think I played a... Didn't I play a spade up? Basically involved eliminating clubs and eliminating diamonds. Yes, involved this. Eliminating clubs, eliminating diamonds. And then playing the King of Hearts. I'm playing the Nine of Hearts. Oh no, excuse me, it didn't involve that. Excuse me, sorry. No, it involved playing the Nine of Hearts. Letting it run. And then winning the Queen of Hearts and finessing against 4 to the Queen Jack 10. Well, I went over in the previous video why that was the correct line. And I was actually thinking about it that time and I got it right, so okay. So we've that done. So we move on to the next one. And next deal. Let's see what it'll throw at us. Okay. And 6 spades. So we've got... Let me see here now. I'm just going to continue to trick one. And I'm going to lose that, okay. So what's the danger? 4-1 trumps. My thinking at the moment is if the trumps are 4-1 and I rough this heart small, then I'm going to be able to draw the trumps, come back to my hand, and the diamonds are going to be blocked. You can see the diamonds are going to be blocked here. I can cash all these top winners and the dummy have no way back to hand. Wow. So wants me to rough high. Ooh, we'll have to undo that. Wants me to rough high. It wants me to cater against 7-1 hearts. Okay, I suppose it actually costs nothing to rough high. So they're just punishing me for being lazy there. But basically what I was saying holds true, that if the trumps are 4-1, I'm going to let this win, and if the trumps are 4-1, I'm going to have to cash a couple of dimes from the dummy first. Okay. And then I'm going to have to throw a top diamond on the final spade to unblock the diamond suit. So I think that was the idea behind this hand. I should have roughed high. So I was just kind of getting a bit lazy because I felt that wasn't the instructive and important part of the hand. Because presumably with 7 hearts to the Queen Jack 10, the guy would have done something. I was kind of more concerned with this sort of a problem. Not that the heart was going to get over roughed, but there's kind of an issue here that if you go spade, spade, and you assume, oh look, I have no losers, you get into this kind of a position and you're actually left with a heart loser at the end because you can't unblock these diamonds. So you basically you reach a situation where you have this diamond in your hand that you can never get to, and I have the rest of the clubs and I'm going to have to give them a heart. So that was the sort of situation to be avoided. So roughing high, I should have paid a bit more attention to that. But I think I got the general idea of the hand right. So 1 no trump, 3 no trump. So we've got what are the things to note here? How many top tricks do I have? I have 3 diamonds, 2 hearts is 5, 2 clubs is 7. Now, the ideal way to create a 9th trick would be to win the heart and play a spade and establish 2 spade tricks, but the timing is wrong because when I win a heart I play a spade, they play another heart, and if I play a spade they'll just cash all the winning hearts. So it looks like I need diamonds 3-3, which will give me 4 diamond tricks, 2 hearts is 6, and I need 3 club tricks. I'm not sure, does it want me to test the diamonds first? I don't think I need to test the diamonds first. I think I just need to win this. And I need to play the club suit in a way that guarantees me 2 club tricks. So let's see. The normal way would be to play a club to the king and a club towards the ace jack, but if there's queen 10 to 4 over here, that won't work. So club to the king is wrong. So if I play the ace of clubs, I think I need to play the ace of clubs and play the 8 of clubs, and if this guy follows low, just let the 8 of clubs around. Because if it wins, this guy's got 4 clubs, and if it loses, the clubs are 3-2. That's the idea. So I can hit this and be guaranteed 3 club tricks. We'll see now. Okay. Usually, if you play it the wrong way, they're going to. If diamonds are 3-3, or aren't 3-3, I'm pretty sure I'm never making it. So you don't have the time to set up your spades. So I'm going to go off this way as well. Huh. Okay. So I've misplayed it. So I have to go back. Oh, I know what it is actually. I should be testing diamonds first. Yeah, that's what I should have done. I should have actually tested diamonds first, and then if diamonds aren't 3-3, I'll actually have to take a percentage line in the clubs then. I think that's the difference. I should test diamonds first. Yeah, and once the diamonds are 3-3, then do what I did with the clubs. It kind of punished me for not testing the diamonds first, but it was effectively the same layout that I'm making it on. It's the same layout that it was in the hand where I went off. Only this time they made the diamonds 3-3 instead of 4-2. It's basically the same as. It's just a slightly different order of plays, and they punish me for not playing the diamonds first, which seems a bit harsh. They obviously want you to get the orders of play precisely correct. Let's go back there. Like I would have thought the whole crux of the hand that they're trying to avoid you, the sort of pitfall they're trying to avoid you fall into, would be something like this. Like you'll notice when I played a club to the ace and a club up, this guy 3 to the queen. In the one where I took the safety playing clubs, but if I play the king of clubs and a club down, this guy will probably end up with queen 10 to 4. to punish me. Yeah, see. So I basically had the right line, but I just didn't get the order right, and they didn't seem to like that. So I still got there in the end. So next deal. 6 spades. So I've got 6 spades to the jack. I'll win fourths anyway. I'll start thinking then. So if spades are like I'm not losing a spade as long as they're not 3-0 offside. What do you think now? I actually don't really want to actually what I'll do is I'll play the jack of spades. Yes. I'll play heart to my hand. And I will play. Okay, I'll eliminate the hearts. I think I need to rough high. I think it's certainly better to rough high anyway. Okay. Now, I'm in a situation where I have to not lose. Sorry, let me think here now. I have to not lose, obviously, a diamond and a club. So I could go up and play. I could finesse a club and it could lose, and then he could return a club. This guy on the left. And then I'm down to a diamond finesse. So if this guy's both the queen of clubs and the king of clubs and the queen of diamonds, I'd be off. Or what else can I do? I can play the ace of clubs and the queen of clubs and eliminate the clubs. And then I'm still down to a diamond finesse, so that doesn't seem very good. I certainly need to be in the dummy anyway. Go up with a spade. And I've only got 2 minutes recording time, so I need to do something quickly. Oh, I think I see it. Okay. What I have to do, I think, is I play a diamond, and whatever diamond this guy plays, if he plays the 9 or 10, I can beat it with the jack. And then this guy is end played in all suits to give me a rough and discard or to lead a diamond into my ace 8 or my ace jack or to play club into my ace queen. So I've only got like just over a minute, so I better do this now. It's going to cut off 15 minutes. So in this case, I insert the 8. So now what do I do? Yeah, I think he's end played in all suits once I do this. Okay. And now I can play my jack of diamonds. Actually, this is why it was very important to keep roughing high and playing high trumps. I was doing that automatically because it seemed normal. Like I had loads of entries to hand, I didn't have all that many entries to dummy. So now I can play my king of diamonds and throw my queen of clubs. Maybe they would have had the king of clubs onside all along, or will they have it offside? Okay, I'm pretty sure if you play it a different way, you'll go off. I might try and show on the next stream where I'm doing a continuation of these instructive hands why they kind of obviously switch the position of the cards when you when you take a suboptimal line. So I'll go through what finessing a club would have